Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a realistic shadows to your text in the latest 2025 After Effects update. First of all, let's click on Track Camera. As the analyzing is done, select some points on the ground. Then right-click and select Set Ground Plane and Origin. Right-click again and select Create Solid and Camera. Make sure to change 3D from Classic to Advanced 3D. Now I will grab a text tool and simply type anything. Once we have that text, make sure to enable 3D on it. Now press S on your keyboard and resize your text, then correct its position and rotation. Once you are satisfied with the text, expand Track Solid Layer Settings, expand Material Options and make sure to change Accepts Shadows to Only. Let me explain what I did. By changing this setting to Only, I disabled Track Solid in my video, and when I will apply a shadow to the text, there will be visible only a shadow. That's what we have got new in 2025 update. In a previous AE versions, we weren't able to switch Track Solid shadows to Only. We have had only two options, on and off. If Accept Shadows are set to on, we see the solid layer in our video, but if we change it to off, it was disabling solid layer and the shadows as well. But really huge thanks to Adobe that they listened us and made that tiny but a huge change. Now let's close Track Solid settings and then create new light layer. Change light type to environment and hit OK. Change casts shadows to on. And as you see, we already have that shadow, but in some cases sometimes shadows do not appear. Let me show you how to make it visible in case you can't see the shadow like me. Click here on Advanced 3D and then click on Renderer Options. Here make sure to click on Fit to Scene, and after you hit OK, shadows will appear immediately. Now let's fix the shadow really quick and easy. Select Track Solid Layer and then make it large like in the video. And now the shadow is fixed and it looks really cool. In case if you move the text now, shadows will be affected and will move as well. And now you don't need to spend hours creating a fake shadow with a fill and a Gaussian blur effect like I did in a previous tutorials. This is really time saver and look way natural and better. Lastly, let me show you how to make your text 3D in After Effects without any plugins. Expand Text Settings, then expand Geometry Options and increase Extrusion Depth. That's it. Now we have a 3D text with a 3D shadows, easy and without any plugins or effects. I really love this new update. It's a really cool thing. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.